Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and simple camper van inspired by the campers in Animal Crossing. We start by filling 3 layers of cake with buttercream. The shape of this van is fairly simple, mostly rectangular, and we'll just round off the top edges, shave off the sides so it's straight. Then add a layer of ganache to the cake. I recently added a video on how to make this ganache, so I'll leave a link in the description. Continue spreading it all over the cake until the sides are nice and smooth. Roll out fondant for the windows. This van is multicolored, so I went with light blue for the rear and front, and then peach and purple for the other windows. Wrap a thick strip of fondant around the bottom of the cake. Cut out slots for the wheels. Also remove this section of the cake board so the wheels will fit later. Dust the windows with cornstarch to prevent sticking. I typically use modeling chocolate to cover cars because it's firmer, but since there aren't any intricate details on this van, I decided to use fondant instead. Smooth out and trim the excess fondant. Tuck the edges underneath the cake. You might have to add some water to help it stick. Do the same for the tire slots. Cut and peel away the windows. The 2 layers of fondant ended up sticking to each other, and you can correct the imperfections with a flat sculpting tool. Do the same for the metal panels and also for the back of the van. Add white fondant to the top like this. Add the door handles. Finally, the wheels are pretty simple. You can easily make these with round cutters. I'm adding details here. And to elevate the cake, glue together rectangular pieces of cake board. Here I'm using 3 strips and the height is slightly lower than half of the wheel. There's no scientific method here, so you can adjust it accordingly. Place the cake onto the board and add the wheels. Lastly, paint the door handles with silver luster dust and also paint the headlights. Here's the completed van. It's so cute and I like the simplistic look. I also made a cute tree out of fondant for a side decoration. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. And as always, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more cake tutorials. Bye!